Remember when China was deemed uninvestable? Well, 2025 was the year that label shifted to irresistible. Chinese stocks have been on a tear this year despite the struggling economy. The Shanghai Stock Exchange hit levels not seen in 10 years. A big part of this has been driven by the artificial intelligence frenzy and China's push for tech self-reliance. So let's go back to January when DeepSeek burst onto the scene, rocking investors from Silicon Valley to here on Wall Street. Nvidia lost nearly $600 billion in market value in a day. The panic sell-off was over worries that China had managed to come up with an open source AI model that was made at a fraction of the cost of US competitors. Then there's Alibaba's strong performance. After years of regulatory overhang, it made a comeback in 2025 thanks to its AI spending plans and cloud business, which helped drive revenue. We saw rapid updates to its Qwen LLM models this year, positioning itself as a competitor to ChatGPT and Gemini. It also ramped up its AI chip efforts as Nvidia's chips were effectively locked out of the country. That was convenient timing for more threats to make its market debut. That's the company known as China's Nvidia. It rallied over 400% on its first day. Just weeks later, another big IPO, Meta X Integrated Circuits, exploding nearly 700%, all part of Beijing's efforts in 2025 to help drive capital into homegrown AI tech companies and reduce reliance on the US. Markets have also signaled investor relief this year about reduced trade tensions between the world's two biggest economies. Presidents Trump and Xi finally met in South Korea, marking a de-escalation, and China's trade surplus hit $1 trillion for the first time ever, showing export resilience. Metal miners have also been benefiting from record-breaking commodity prices. The materials index is heading for its best year since 2003. So the big question is, can this continue? A number of analysts believe it can, even with persistent worries about the economy, particularly in the housing market. So what do you think? Does this Chinese bull run have legs?